Cyber Crime Police has solved an online fraud case amounting 2.45 crore rupees. The fraudster gang had impersonated as investment broker and had contacted the victim through WhatsApp group and had lured that he will get more returns than normal market return by investing through their WhatsApp group. This victim had invested 2.45 crore rupees on various occasions but did not get as the promised return. After registering the FIR, Cybercrime Police tracked the online transactions and found that out of 2.45 crore rupees, 13.5 lakh rupees was deposited in the accused Sanjay Chavan's bank account. Accused Sanjay Chavan is arrested from Maharashtra and further investigation in this case is going on. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.